What's going on, everybody? It's AmmaJamma here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me pull up my screen. We'll get started. All right, here we go. So today we are going to go over a couple of my top picks for stocks that I think have a bullish for our Black Fridays, our top buys. What are we getting the best deal on? All right, so I have three stocks for you today. I will go over these and we will wrap up. First one I have pulled up, which you can see right here, is Verizon. Not sure why I have Heikenashi's on here. Let me pull up my candles and I'll give you a couple key levels, what we're looking for, and we'll go from there. So obviously, let me pop on the daily here and I will show you exactly what I'm looking for. Obviously, we had a massive sell off from Verizon over the last month or two, which we could see here. And usually, this is a pretty stable stock. It tends to trade, from $46 to $61. We're way down in, the under $40 range. I think anything under $40 is a great buy here. If you want a safer entry, I would wait until we break up over, say, 30, $40 exactly. Make your first buy at 40 and then wait. And if we get another pullback or another bearish market around that 35, make another buy there. I really think some reasonable targets here on Verizon that we could add that are absolutely attainable are up to 50%, which makes that risk reward of our say 10% downfall to 50% upfall, a nice 1 to 5 risk reward. That's exactly what we're looking for. 161 billion cap, ROA is 10.5. And for me, Verizon is like is a commodity. Cell phones aren't like a frivolous extra, type thing in today's generation, in today's society. A cell phone is a necessity. Verizon will always be around. It's got a great setup here. That's stock number one. Number two is Palantir. I'm going to delete this whole chart. There's so many things on this chart. I've played it a whole lot. We are hanging around a double bottom here. A couple things about this company. Incredible company overall. They have long-term stability with government contracts. And it's towards the bottom here. I mean, that's just the reality of it, folks. We're hanging out towards the bottom range here. Being able to get this anything below $7.30 is an absolute steal. The risk reward on this just simply makes sense. All right, pop a couple lines. I mean, even our conservative targets are 100% here at that 1450, where our all-time low is, what is it here? Let's see what our all-time low is. Our all-time low on this stock is literally what? It's just around $7 here, 662. So we are within 10% of our all-time low. So let's say a 10% risk with a 100% upswing. So that's a 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio here. That's what we're looking for. That's fantabulous. Finally, stock number three, we've got AMD. This one, I mean, semiconductors, microchips in general have gotten absolutely destroyed. We have AMD that bottomed out around $55 here. We have popped up a little since then. We had a little bit of a bullish run over the last month. And we have a little on the daily, you can see here, we had a doji candle looking for a little bit of pullback. I would wait. I would see if we get a little bit bearish here. And if we settle between $62 and $67, I like my first buy there with a $56 low. That's about a 14% risk. And our reward up over $110 is once again 100% reward on that 10-15% risk. So we've got at least a 1 to 6 risk reward on this one as well, which is absolutely fantastic. The risk reward is really here. A lot of tech stocks have gotten absolutely pummeled. AMD, Verizon, Palantir, strong companies. Palantir with U.S. Army, U.S. government contracts. Verizon, which is pretty much a commodity. Verizon's not going anywhere. AMD, kind of another commodity, one of the biggest, one of the best when it comes to their facet of the market. So those are my three top picks for what I am looking at for stocks through the end of the year into next year. Our Black Friday exclusive sale. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you guys next time. Bye.